Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this Vortex Vitality. Let me see, where's the opening here? So what they claim is it will monitor my plant. So it's the sort of like plant monitor. Let's see what's in the box. So reviews were a little bit mixed, but nevertheless, I thought it would be quite cool to see. So I've got this orange tree, and it's in our conservatory. So together we can make a difference. Vortex Vitality, and because it gets so hot in there and kind of out of sight, out of mind, I was hoping to have this to tell me when to feed it. So we've got that. This is what it looks like. This is obviously the user manual. So you basically put it in there and it basically just stays with the plant the whole time. And then through some app, it tells you. So soil moisture, sensor 1, 2, and 3, soil temperature, soil fertility, light sensor, temperature, humidity. And yeah, as I said, like in the conservatory, it does get quite humid. So yeah, I'm really interested to see. It takes batteries. And then some app will send me notifications when to feed it. So yeah, a little bit of AI just to monitor a plant. I thought it'd be quite cool. Here's it here. Presume nothing else. So here. And quite crazy how technology has become. And this will be the light sensor. And I think it says it came with batteries. There you go. There's the batteries. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments about it, as I said, I definitely will be monitoring my plant. And hopefully maybe get some more. But yeah, often kind of just forget to feed them. No, it's not good to say, but it does happen. But if you guys have any questions or comments about it, drop it below. I'll let you know about my experiences. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good one.